Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and this video, my friends, I'm going to show you my quick haul. And this is a simple haul that I do when it's hot outside. You know, you want something simple, easy, you want some quick dinner ideas that you don't have to heat the house too much with the oven and stove on for too long. So this is my hot summer haul, and here we go. So let's start with some yogurt. Yogurt is my go-to thing at night now. And this is the Activia Fiber yogurt. And I love this yogurt because it has a mixture of different flavors in here. And I love just having this at night with some fruits and top it off with some granola and stuff. I just love Activia. So I bought a pack of this. This was like $6 something. I'm gonna put the price below. And I bought some green banana. Boy, these green banana quite huge. I don't know where these are from. Costa Rica. They're quite big, huh? And but these are the green bananas, and I'm thinking, are you sure this is not plantain? But he swears by this. It's green banana. They're quite big though. They're huge. And you know, I have some curry chicken that I've cooked up a couple days ago, and I wanted to have some green banana with curry chicken and some dumpling. If you know, you know. And so I bought some, you know, just 4 pieces, so I can have some green banana with that. I did buy a pack of white rice. Now rice have gotten so expensive for even a small bag. This is a 2-kilogram bag, and it's good to just to have some simple white rice in the house. And I bought this just to put in the rice cooker when I don't feel like cooking and it's just a hot day and you don't want too many things heat in the house. So I decided to buy some just a pack of white rice so I can put it in my rice cooker and make it a fast, easy dinner. And pomegranates are on sale at my local supermarket. I just grabbed 2. As I said, I like to eat some fruits at night, and pomegranate is one of those super foods. And so I bought 2. I don't know if it's sweet, but we're gonna try some of that tonight. And these were $1.99 a pound. And of course I got myself some candies. I don't really need candy, but I just picked them up from my daughter just for a special treat for her. She wanted some gummy rings, and these were $1 each. It's nice to have a little snacky. But this is what happens in the summer, right? And when it's so hot, you don't want to cook. You just want something quick and easy. And sometimes you go for the not so healthy stuff. But yeah, some candy rings. Okay, and I bought some grapes. I just bought very little grapes, my friends. The grapes at this supermarket did not look very appetizing, did not look very pleasing. So I just picked up a little bit because I like to combine my grapes with my yogurt at nights and have some of that for before I go to bed. This is my late evening snack, and this pairs well. So I just took a handful because, as I said, they didn't look very well. They're quite small, and yeah, but I just wanted some grapes. Okay, I bought a pack of sweet kale salad kit. You know those kits, you know, salad when I make a little bit of a dinner, or put some salad in a wrap. And I think the sweet kale salad kit is a perfect combination for that. And so I think I'm gonna have this with my dinner tonight. And I picked up a huge bag of cherries. Now this was $1.99 for these cherries. They're quite small, but I think that $1.99 is a pretty good price to pay. So I picked up like a big bag. I'm going to put the price below, as I said, and it's going to be a part of my nicely snack because I love cherries, and as it says, it's an excellent source of vitamin C. So I'm looking forward to some of that. And as I said, you know, when it's so hot outside, you just want something simple. And honestly, I just feel like fruits, light salads and stuff. I don't feel like anything heavy for my dinner. Okay, and you know, this is the season that you have to pick up a bag of ice so that you always have something cool, some cool water, some cool juice to quench your thirst when it's so hot outside. So I got that. So my supermarket, my friends, had whole chicken for sale for $1.99 a pound. $1.99 a pound. I couldn't believe it, and it was going fast. And this cost me $8.39, and this is about a 4 pound chicken. And I bought two of these because I just thinking that I could roast a chicken for dinner one evening or for Sunday dinner, and pair it with a nice salad, and that is just a fresh and easy hot summer meal. So I'm going to season these chickens tonight and then freeze them so that when I'm ready to roast them, it's nice and nicely seasoned and ready to go. Alright, so I picked up a bag of no-name cheese flavored twist. I like these cheesies. It's also a part of my nightly snack. I do eat the cheesies with fruits. I love it. I love it with a nice, fresh, crunchy grape. Oh, that's so delicious. You need to try it. And so I bought one pack of this. Well, and no name brand. Just easy breezy. These are on sale, my friends. These are $5.99, and this is chicken strips. And you need to have some of this in your house, especially on a hot day when you just feel like something light. You just throw in some chicken strips and eat it with some French fries. Oh my goodness, that's an easy thing. And it's simple to cook this. This is definitely fully cooked, and all you have to do is heat that through. And so I got, as I said, the chicken strips, and then I got some chicken burgers to go along with it, so that, you know, we can switch between chicken burgers and chicken strips for a nice, easy, hot summer day meal. And then I bought these paratha, and these are not bad. These are pretty good. This is a brand that I normally go to, Shana's, and yeah, just easy cooking on the stovetop, and this goes very well with some curry chicken. And as I said, if you know, you know, just curry chicken. And these 5 is in the pack, and all I do is maybe make 2, some curry chicken, and my meal is set and ready to go. And you must keep this frozen. And as I said, I bought 2 packs of these, and so maybe that will be for tonight's dinner. I'm not quite sure yet. And I think I got one more bag. Oh, and I got myself some light peanuts, my friends, light seasoned peanuts. And the peanuts are also an even snack for me when I'm just sitting down and watching TV. I like to snack and stuff. And it's usually fruits like grapes and stuff, and then peanuts and cheesies, also an easy snack. So I bought one of those, and this has gotten very expensive. When did peanuts become so pricey? Because I used to pay $2.99 for this, and now it's 5 something, but I still bought it because I like it. And apple juice, my daughter loves apple juice, so I picked up her one. This is the Allen's brand, and this is $1.25 at the moment. And then I love a pineapple juice, my friends. Love a pineapple juice. And if you know me, you should know me by now, that I love a juice. I really love a nice juice. And so I picked up Oasis pineapple juice, and this says 100% fruit juice. And then I picked up another bottle of this stuff, and this is the strawberry dragon fruit flavor beverage. from Del Monte, and I'm gonna link my video down below where I've made a quick and easy lemonade refresher, and so easy to make. So I bought another bottle of that so that I can make my own refresher instead of going to Starbucks to get it now, because now it's so easy to make, right? And so I bought another bottle of lemonade to go with that. And that's basically it, my friends. That is my haul. It's simple, easy, a hot summer day haul. That just simple things that you can eat or drink when it comes to a hot day and you don't feel like cooking, right? Thank you for watching, my friends. You'll see me again in another video.